Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August the 28th, 2019. Google's engineer accused of theft of trade secrets. Google's former self-driving car engineer Anthony Levandowski was charged with 33 counts of theft and attempted theft of trade secrets from tech giant on Tuesday. The criminal indictment is the latest twist in a year-long dispute of intellectual property between Google, where Levandowski worked on autonomous vehicles for nearly a decade, and Uber, which purchased a self-driving startup from Levandowski for a reported $680 million in August 2016. According to the criminal complaint, Levandowski stole around 14,000 files from Google in the month preceding his departure from company, and after he had begun discussions with executives at Uber. The files included critical engineering information about hardware for self-driving cars and schematics for the printed circuit boards used in various custom Lidar products. Levandowski was arraigned Tuesday afternoon in San Jose after turning himself in. He pleaded not guilty and was released on a $2 million bond, the Associated Press reported. Oil surges due to easing of recession worries. Oil prices increased on Wednesday, with U.S. crude gaining 1.3% after an industry report showed stockpiles in the United States. The world's biggest oil consumer declined more than expected, easing worries about economic growth due to the China-U.S. trade war. International benchmark Brent crude futures rose 59 cents or 1% to $60.10 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate crude futures climbed 70 cents or 1.3% to $55.63 a barrel. Data from industry group the American Petroleum Institute showed U.S. crude stockpiles decreased by 11.1 million barrels last week and dropping off import compared with expectations for a 2 million barrel drop. The U.S. government's weekly report is due on Wednesday, and if the official numbers confirm the API data, then it will mark the biggest weekly decline in 9 weeks. ADC sells US WTI crude of South Korean refiner. Aramco trading company sold its first-ever cargo of U.S. West Texas light crude to a South Korean refiner as the Saudi Aramco unit expands its U.S. oil dealings to boost trade volumes. 4 people familiar with the matter said. ADC is key to Saudi Aramco's strategy as it expands its refining and petrochemical operations to boost global sales. The trading unit has been buying U.S. crude from Texas refinery Motiva to resell in Asia. Aramco Trading Company has been shipping U.S. oil to refiners in Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and the United Arab Emirates since last year. It expanded the selection of U.S. crudes earlier this month, loading its first-ever 1 million barrel cargo of WTI, the People said. The shipment is expected to arrive at Hyundai Oilbank's refinery in Dayton in October. India to stop ban of foreign investment in coal. India's government considered a move to end a ban of foreign investment in commercial coal mining as part of efforts to boost economic growth, said a person with direct knowledge of the matter. The proposal is being discussed at a Wednesday meeting of the cabinet led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and a decision may come within hours. The change would allow overseas miners such as BHP Group Ltd and Glencore plc to own 100% of mining companies. Other proposals under consideration include raising investment limits in digital media and easing rules for retailers selling a single brand, the person said without giving details.